How to get check deposit on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get check deposit on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To get check deposit on Cash App, open up Cash App and make sure that you're signed into the account. Then just come to the home tab from the bottom left of the screen there. Once you tap on the home tab from the bottom left, you'll find this option where it says checks. So all you have to do is simply tap on the checks option. Now if you don't find this little checks option, it could mean that your Cash App account is not verified. So you want to make sure to have your bank account linked and make sure that your Cash App account is also verified. Then you will most likely find the check deposit option where you can just tap the checks option, enter the check amount, confirm the check, and then you'll be able to scan and submit it. This way you should be able to actually get the check deposit on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.